Hello everyone, this is Dr. Raj Dandekar, the course instructor for the recently concluded Inference workshop at Vizuara. I had planned for this workshop for the last 1 year, and I am very happy to announce that the first cohort of this workshop has now been completed. There were over 150 registrations for this workshop, and I'm incredibly happy with the way the workshop has been turned out. We had 15 lectures in the workshop spanning more than 45 hours of content. There were 4 hardware labs, there were 3 capstone projects. We also had guest lectures from inference engineers at Apple, Anyscale, and are planning to have guest lectures from folks at Anthropic, Amazon, etc. There were coding assignments. There was even a time when people ran inference systems by chaining 25 GPUs together. It was just incredible to see the energy in this group. I spent a huge amount of time teaching the fundamental concepts on the whiteboard. We even wrote a book about inference engineering together. Honestly, this turned out to be an epic workshop, and I'm pretty sure that people who have taken this workshop can confidently answer questions in interviews such as, "Hey, can you design a low latency, high throughput inference system for me which can serve a million users?" All the professionals, the researchers, the students who have taken this workshop can now answer this question.
Hello everyone, my name is David, an AI entrepreneur and engineer based out in Tokyo, Japan. I have taken many AI courses throughout my career, but the Inference Engineering program by Dr. Raj and Team Vizuara Labs absolutely outstanding and standouts because it focuses on what truly matters in production's AI. Most programs teach you how to use AI models. This program teaches you how to optimize, scale, and deploy them efficiently in the real-world applications. But what really impressed me the most is Dr. Raj's ability, who can explain complex concepts with clarity and depth in all perspectives.
People in our workshop have mastered all 3 layers of the inference engineering stack: the runtime layer, the tooling layer, and the infrastructure layer. The runtime layer includes things like state space models, multi-head latent attention, sparse attention, quantization, speculative decoding. The tooling layer involves things like how does VLLM work, what's the difference between SGLang and VLLM. The infra layer involves things like cold start, canary model deployments, disaggregated serving, how to build evaluation harnesses. And finally, we answer the question of how to assemble a low latency inference system which serves millions of users. Throughout this workshop, students have built 2 capstone projects, rather 3 capstone projects if I include the voice inference stack also, which they can immediately add to their resume. The first capstone project is using Modal for chaining multiple GPUs together and for benchmarking an inference system, which is a production level inference system. The second capstone project is using SGLang and parallelism to integrate OpenClaw with reinforcement learning. And the third capstone project is building voice inference pipelines from scratch. All these 3 projects can immediately be added to the resume of participants. We have 4 hardware labs which were covered. The first hardware lab taught students how to deploy LLMs on mobile devices. That was a 4-hour-long lecture taken by Shubham Panchal, who is the creator of the famous small chat GitHub repository for serving LLMs on mobile phones. The second hardware lab was for running language models on Raspberry Pi, where we showed participants how to run small models on edge devices like a Raspberry Pi module. The third hardware lab was running inference on Jetson Orin Nano, and the fourth hardware lab was running models such as Gemma 4 locally and then profiling them. Talked about Ray, how to use Ray for scaling AI systems for production. We have upcoming guest lectures from folks which mention how to get into Anthropic, and also lectures from AWS, Microsoft, etc. I even made a visual walkthrough website which has around 25 visual walkthroughs to illustrate different concepts. So it turned out to be an incredible cohort actually, and honestly I have not seen anything like this before. It's a 45-hour content which is like how it's taught in universities, so it's pretty deep and it's pretty challenging. challenging, but I'm very happy and satisfied that the workshop has now come to an end. And I would request you to also check out the testimonials, which we are also planning to release. We have received incredible feedback from everyone who has attended this workshop. Thanks a lot, everyone. All the materials are available for you to consume, all the materials are available for you to access, and I'm sure this will be like a step function in your AI career. You will learn so much with so much depth. Thank you, everyone, and I hope you enjoy and gain value from this material.